Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ty and today I'm going to be helping you find every legendary gun in Dying Like the Beast. Everything from the pistol to the assault rifle and even the Sawblade Launcher as a bonus. The only gun there isn't a legendary version of is the marksman rifle. So, we try to keep it short and simple on this channel, so let's dive right into it, starting with the legendary pistol. It can be found on this train bridge, and to get it, you need to head over to this container and picklock the door and take out that armored zombie. You're then going to want to grab the key card from him, and after you do that, run over to this container and turn on the generator. Then, grab this cable and run over to this other container, which you'll also need to picklock. Inside, you swipe the card and now you have the legendary pistol. Head to this location where outside the back of the house there's a hatch that leads underground. So open that up, jump down there like that zombie just did, and then you can turn on the power. No cables need to be connected like for a lot of legendary weapons, you're just hooking up a fuse. After that you'll have a room you can enter with a safe down in a vent, and the combination is 2219. And then you have the Sunray Revolver. It's probably my favorite gun in the entire game, although the shotguns are really fun to use once you have the ammo to spare. Head over to this spot on the map and you'll find a little building that you can get into by breaking a few boxes. Once you do, crawl in and then you can turn on the generator. You'll then need to hook up a cable, so grab that from here, unlock the door, and run over to these ruins. You can just hop the wall here and then you'll be able to connect it on this platform. However, there will be a spitter you'll have to take care of, so do what you gotta do. Once you got that hooked up, look down and then you can see a hatch. So open that up, jump in, and then you'll need to push a cabinet and pull off a vent. From here, you'll need to backtrack a bit, so climb up the ladder and go back up to the platform where you stuck that cable. Pull it off, and take it to the room you just opened up, and the power will then turn on. There are 3 doors you can enter, one leading to the room you just came from, another to a jail cell with a zombie waiting to jump scare you, and the 3rd door to the left being where the rifle is located. There are a couple scientist zombies chilling in there, but the weapon itself can be found in this locker. And just saying, you can easily take these zombies out without having to use anything besides the door. So yeah, there you go. Open up that locker, now you got the eraser. This one is pretty straightforward. In the upper right part of the map, you'll head to this building where you have a vent that you can pull off, so do that. Then you can enter inside of the shed, for which you want to turn on the generator. From there, grab the cable off the wall, open up the door, and pretty much just walk straight out and you can find where it goes, which is right here. Once you got that hooked up, a door around the corner will unlock, so go check that out. Open that up and straight ahead is the statement shotgun. It absolutely shreds everything I use it against, so I hope you have as much fun using it as I have. Next up is the location of a legendary SMG, so head over to this part of the map where you'll need to hook up the power to open up a garage door. From there, you're swarmed by zombies, so take them out or run past, whatever you see fit. There's a door in the garage, so lockpick that, and then you're in the room with the legendary SMG. The Sawblade Launcher in Dying Like the Beast is actually fairly easy to get, and it's something you can get from the beginning. The flamethrower and grenade launcher are tied to the skill tree, but this one you can get by taking over a safe zone. So, head to the upper right corner of the map with these silos, and from the middle you'll have a way to scale up the side. So make your way up, and from there you'll have a banshee and a few other zombies to take care of. So, do your thing. After that, you'll need to hook up the power, so grab the cable, and you can just jump right down the middle. Just don't forget to roll. After you got that hooked up, make your way back up, break open the box you see here, crawl into the room, and turn on the power. Then boom, the Sawblade Launcher can be seen chilling on the workbench. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. That's how you find all the legendary guns in Dying Like the Beast, so I hope you found this helpful. So with that said, if you enjoyed, then feel free to like the video, subscribe to help support the channel today, and stop by next time folks. Adios.